Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to promote affiliate product using a free underground traffic source that not so many people are talking about. Now you don't also need a website to follow this strategy. Now if you're new to my channel, my name is Precious Nanta and today I'm going to be your guide. If you find value in this video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video and also share it with your friends. So let's get straight into it. Today we are going to be working with CLICKBANK. So there are so many affiliate networks out there. If you don't know what an affiliate network is, it's simply a platform like CLICKBANK where you can go to register for free, get access to thousands of offers that you can promote and earn commissions when people buy those products through your affiliate link. So today we're going to be working with CLICKBANK. Now if you don't have an account, like I always say, click on the Start Here button, follow the process there to create an account. It is very easy and free. If you have an account, simply log into your CLICKBANK account. Now, this strategy works for every single affiliate network out there. It doesn't matter the category, the niche or the industry. It works for every industry out there and it works worldwide. So what you need to do is just log into any of your affiliate network. It might be CLICKBANK, might be some other affiliate network. So just log into the account. Okay, so once you log in, what we need to do first of all here is to find an offer. So there are so many offers here on CLICKBANK or any of the affiliate network you're going to be working with. Now you need to pick the category which you want to work on. Now there are so many categories here. Like when I scroll down here, you can see so many categories here, all this place here. So what you need to do is to find an offer. So here you can see XP is the number one on CLICKBANK. You can see product team. So this one is a dental kind of offer. So you can see this one here, you can see this also. So let's see which one are we going to promote here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's promote 𝗢𝗂𝗿. So 𝗢𝗂𝗿 is a coffee, I think it's a coffee offer for weight loss, for losing weight. You can see how many affiliates are making money with this offer. 277 has at least made a sale within the last 30 to 60 days of promoting this offer. You can see this offer is actually making money. So what you need to do first of all, like I always say, is to open the affiliate page. So just open this affiliate page here to get more information about the offer. And also what you need to do is to click on this promote button, because this is how to promote the offer on CLICKBANK. So this one is specific for CLICKBANK. Now depending on the affiliate network you're working on, the process might be different in promoting the offer. It might be the button might be somewhere else, I don't know, but you know how to get the link there. So what you just need to just click on the promote here. So for the tracking ID here, what we're going to do is to add this tracking ID. Just type answers here. So the traffic source, like I said, the underground traffic source that I've not seen any other YouTuber or anywhere that they use or they teach about this traffic source, that so many affiliates are making money underground without showing others how to use that platform, is called answers.com. So but I'll just write answers here. While I'm writing this traffic ID or this tracking ID here, is so that when we are promoting on answer.com, at least we know that when we get a sale, we know that this sale came from our effort or our activity on answer.com. So just put that's answers here and click on create uplink so that we can track very well on CLICKBANK. Okay, so just click on copy here. So I'll save it on Notepad. So once I have it here on Notepad, what you need to do is just go to the affiliate offer. So let's see the affiliate offer. Let's see what they're saying here. So here on this affiliate offer, for those of you running paid ad, this offer says you can bid, do brand bidding on this keyword. So just note this so that you don't get your commission deducted or your account banned. So okay, this is it here. You've seen the offer. It doesn't have so much here. I think it doesn't have so much here. Okay, so what we can do is, if you need some, you can also have some question here. But now we've seen the offer we want to promote. It is 𝗢𝗂𝗿. So we've gotten the offer, we've seen the offer. Now let me uncover the traffic source and how to use this traffic source to your advantage so that you can make so much money from this traffic source. So the traffic source we're going to be working on, like I said, is called answers.com. So answers.com is free. It's free to sign up, just like Quora and any other network out there. So it is free.com. So but now you might be asking me, okay, Precious, why do I need to spend my time on this website when I don't even know what this website is, or if people are actually visiting this website? So let me show you some statistics about this website and why you need to care about this website. Because as an affiliate, your job is to be in the place where these audiences are. So anywhere they're kind of, gathering, you need to be there as an affiliate, giving them value and pitching your product to them. So Now here, this is just a little statistics about this network itself. So I'll use an extension I have on my browser called SimilarWeb. So I'll just close this for now. Okay, so here you can see it's from the United States, and as you can see here, the traffic over there, it's kind of consistent. You can see it's getting millions and millions of views. See, visits, sorry. Now you can see this one has 7.5 million. You can see this one also. Where is it? Okay, monthly visits. You can see that's on average 6.8 million monthly visitors, to show you that the traffic on this website is massive. Now you can see the countries using this website. You can see the top visitors of this website is United States, Philippines, Canada, United Kingdom, and India, to show you that this website is also getting like high quality top tier countries that has the traffic to this website. So you can see the traffic source. So traffic source on this extension means the channels that are bringing traffic to this website, which is answer.com. That's the channels that are bringing traffic to answer.com. So if you can see the top channels here, it's search. So search simply means somebody goes to Google browser, their browser on their laptop or whatever device they're using, and they type something on Google or Bing or any other search engine out there. So search is the number one there. Direct means they know about answer.com. All they do is just type answer.com on their browser, go to the website directly and find anything they want to find on answer.com. So referral means maybe other website pointing back to answer.com. Social means maybe from social media. Then email means from an email list. Display means maybe add somewhere and somewhere on the internet there. Now you can see, if you want to see more statistics, you can also click on here, but I don't need all that for now. Okay, so what you need to do once you're answer.com is to create an account. Creating an account is free. Just if you have a Gmail, you can just use Gmail to do single sign-on to sign up for answer.com. Okay, remember the offer we're trying to promote is 𝗢𝗂𝗿, and 𝗢𝗂𝗿 is a weight loss offer. I think it's a coffee offer that you can drink. Okay, yeah, it's a coffee offer. Yeah, I think so. It's a coffee offer that you can drink coffee in the morning or so, and you lose weight after drinking tea or coffee, something like that. Okay, so now we've seen the offer. The category that offer belongs to it is weight loss health niche. So once you're on answer.com, in order to start promoting this offer, what you need to do is to find the category that best represents this offer. So the category there is called the health niche. So let's see. We have science there. Let's see if we have something related to health here. We have sciences here. Okay, so let's go with science. It's got all the same. Yeah, science, kind of health is related to science. So let's just click that for now. Or you can search for the question itself. Okay, so what I want to do is, let me just type something here. Let me see how to use it. Let's see. Okay, so this is it here. So let me see all this here. So you can see this question has an answer. So let's see. Okay, let's see this one. Let's see. Okay. You can see here now, you can see add your own answer. So this is a question here, how to lose weight at 60. So maybe it's probably somebody looking for or asking this kind of question. You know, this person is a targeted, like he or she wants to lose weight. Maybe they are up to 60 years old and they want to lose weight. So now you can see that's why they're asking the question, how can they successfully lose weight at 60? So what you can do, if you don't know how to answer this question, if you're not an expert, I'll just copy this here. Then you can come to your browser, open the new tab and just type this question here and click on enter. Now, once you do this, you can see some answers to this search query here. You can also see so many of them here, 7 ways. You can also read all this here. So I'm just showing you, if you're not like, this is how I answer my own question, because I'm not a doctor. I didn't even study anything related to all this. Though I study science, but not all this here. But you can say I'm not an expert to answer this kind of question, but at least we need to make some money, so we need to go and learn. So it's all about learning. So here what you can do is just read about this, try to come up with your own answer after reading maybe 1 or 2 blog posts about the question. So once you come up with your answer, let's say for instance, this is my answer here. So I just copy this. I just want to use an example for you. I copy this here. Then all I have to do is just go back. So I think this is it here. So I just go back here. Then I paste my answer. You can see now. So this is just how to do it here. You paste your own answer here. So let's say this is it here. This is your own answer. Then if you want to add some images to make it pop, you can also do all that, add your images there. So let's see. But on answer.com, it's kind of difficult to add a link there. So what you can do here is, like I said, if you're a beginner to affiliate marketing, you need to treat affiliate marketing or your activity on this. Don't treat it as a side hustle. Because if you treat it as a side hustle, you're always going to treat it like that. You're not going to go far. You're not going to see those thousands of dollar results that other super affiliates are getting. So you need to focus on this as a full-time business. Like at least you need to see it as a serious business, so you can put more effort, so that you can get also more result from your effort in this business. Because this business doesn't require any overhead. It doesn't require any capital. It just requires your time. You know, if you put your time into something, you're going to make or earn more results from that thing. So, but what I highly recommend to my students and anybody that comes close to me on affiliate marketing is at least have a website or blog. You can just a website on your website. If you have a website, you can just try to build a blog on it. But if you don't have anyone at all, just try to build a blog, maybe a small blog. So if you don't know how to build a blog, check out this video that is showing up here. I've prepared a long, in-depth video that will show you how to create your own affiliate blog. So just follow the steps in that video so that you can learn how to create a blog if you want to. But I understand that this video is all about promoting it without a website or blog. So why I mentioned you creating a blog is so that you can stay in this game for a longer period of time, so that you can also earn more results from this, from your activity here on or doing affiliate marketing altogether. So that's why I say create a blog, so that you can create blog content on your blog there. So what you're trying to do when you have a blog, I'm just explaining something to you now. Let's say, for instance, you answer this question here. Instead of linking directly to your affiliate offer to go back to the sales page, what you can do is to link back to your blog. So that way you're getting backlink to your blog, so that you can get more traffic to your blog. And also you're getting the traffic from these websites now, which is, it might be Answer, it might be Quora, it might be any other website. So you're getting the traffic from this website back to your blog. So on your blog there, you can do anything with those traffic. You can either opt them to subscribe to your mailing list so that you can promote these offers through email list, or you can send them to a landing page where they can read more information about the offer before sending them to the offer itself. Or you can do anything you want to do with this traffic. Instead of, from this traffic source itself, you send them to the offer, because it might also cause this traffic source to also ban your account if you do all this. But for those of you who don't have money to do all this, you can also do these steps to make at least some money. Then you can maybe invest in having a blog or website, something like that. So let's say, for instance, we've created an article, we've answered it correctly. So what you can do is just say, click here to blah, 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 maybe. So this is it here. So once you do all this, remember you can't type, you can't put a link here. So what you can do is just, instead of using click here, you just copy. Okay, so copy and paste this link on your browser to learn how to use it. So here, after doing this here, then you can bring your affiliate link. So let's say, for instance, you take it from your notepad there, you come to Bitly, shorten it normal. When you shorten it from Bitly, just copy it here. So here, I'll come back to this place. So once you shorten it, then you come and you paste it here. But when you paste it here, you don't paste it like, if you paste it like this, networks might find out that this is a link that you're trying to paste on this, and they might potentially ban your account or something else. So you can just do this here. Maybe once you have something like this, then you just separate this here. Then you separate this here. Then you can also do this here. So you can see, you can then type copy and paste this link on your browser to learn how to lose weight. Okay. Then you can put a bracket here. You can say, please remember to remove spaces in order to get the. Okay. So you can tell them so that you can remember to remove those spaces he added to this link here. So once you do all this here, you're done with all this here, then you can click on submit. So once you click on submit, you can keep repeating this step, this process every single day. You can do it 2 times a day, you can do it 3 times a day, depending on your strength. You can all, but one thing is sure, just keep finding questions on this website to answer. So if you're answering so many questions, this website itself will they'll reward you with more traffic to your answers so that more people can see your answers related to that question, and also to in return bring you more traffic to your blog or your affiliate link, depending on the method you're using to promote. Okay, so this is just everything here. So I'll just close this for now. This is just how to promote your affiliate link through this website called answers.com. So if you're looking for improving online business to start right now and make money online, check out the first link in the description there to grab my free blueprint. So now this is the blueprint that has enabled me to make 7 figures, or to start a 7-figure business online, selling other people's product that I don't own, I don't touch, I don't do anything about it. I just promote this product just like I'm doing here, and I earn 7 figures every single month consistently. So I know you're going to get a lot of value from that blueprint. So don't forget, get that blueprint. Go to the description, find the link, the first link in the description there. Click there to get my free blueprint. And once you get that, you're going to get a lot of value from the blueprint there. So now, if you've gotten a lot of value from this specific video now you're watching here, don't forget, very important, smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also share it with your friends so you don't miss out on our next video when we upload our next money making videos. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.